Okay, so moving on to my next project for the estimate. We are already in Brooklyn. This is Park Slope, and I'm walking down to the New York-Presbyterian Hospital. We've done a couple projects for them in the past, and right now they need some decorative window film installed on some office partitions, or I don't know if it's office or it's just some hallway. So it's a matter of measuring and discussing the design with the client, how it's supposed to be. Go there, take a look, do some pictures, do some measurements, and that's pretty much it. All right, and then we're gonna discuss design online with the customer of how they actually want to do it. All right, so just met with the Scott from construction management here in NYP, and so technically the project highlights, they want to install privacy window film where the lobby is. So we have to do the installation of the decorative like privacy window film on the walls on these windows from left and right. In addition to that, there's another lobby across the street over here. So behind it there's like a front desk, and this decorative film, like a frosted film, we already installed couple years ago. So behind it there's a computer desk, so they don't want people to see in, obviously, you know, because nobody wants it. It's a little bit like a high ground over here, and everything inside there can be see-through. I don't want to show the video because they can kick me out from this place for making a video. So the thing is, we're gonna install decorative film here. They want a gradient so they can get more light in here. So it's gonna start for about 7 feet from the ground and slowly transition to the less opaque. I don't know if it's gonna work, but if that's what they want, it should be good. Right now my guys are doing gradient frosted window film. So this is how it looks. It's a little bit hard to see, you know, that this has a gradient, and it kind of from the more opaque to less opaque. It's just because there's not enough light over there. But on this, let me see, they're still doing it over here, cleaning the glass before the installation. And this panel is still clear. So this is gradient film. So you can see it's still wet, so it's gonna be nice and uniform after it's gonna dry, but right now we still see some imperfections. So it's gonna be opaque on this area, and then slowly goes to less opaque. We're now gonna go to across the street. There was another entrance. So here we have, it's behind the countertop with the security desk, and they want to, you know, cover it so people could not see what's going on the screens behind the glass. And let's see how it looks in here. It was installed yesterday. Okay, so this is how work is done. Guys put the other piece on the glass, and right now they are squeezing out the water. It's a pretty thick film with the, you know, because all the graphics technically is painted, and you can feel it. It's a little bit different than you installing a normal window film. And eventually it's gonna need a little bit more time to dry out. So this panel, it's still fresh, they just install it. It doesn't look you know, nice and uniform. The panels that they did yesterday looks better. This one, yeah, it's still a long way to dry, all these spots. Oh yeah, this is a nice view from here. Alright, this was Andrew from Window Film Installers, and we are at the New York-Presbyterian Hospital. We installed the feather gradient window film. It's like a white frosted gradient film, 72-inch high. This was installed for the lobby at the hospital. It's kind of behind the security desk. It's almost done. One more panel left to do. So this is how we do it. And if you're looking for window film in New York City, do you need like privacy, solar window film, or safety? Window Film Installers ready to help you. All right, thank you for watching and have a good day.